over different things with us and teaching us. So we're going to get started. As we are getting set up, please go ahead and get your pen and your notebook that you have started on this. We are all Satoshi Affiliate Marketing 2.0. But get that notebook out. I know that you have it labeled with a label letters this big. Get that notebook out and start taking some notes, jot down some questions. We may be able to get an opportunity to answer those questions, but we can't answer them if you forget them. All righty, so make sure to do that. And while you're doing that, we want to manifest what the kind of returns that we want, right? And the way to be able to do that is make sure, part of it is to make sure that you and your entire team is here. So call your upline, your downline, your round line, and your sidelines and let them know and remind them today is Friday. Shavez is here and we're getting started right now. Let me share this with you and we will get going.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide informations and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Ladies and gentlemen, next you will hear from Shavez, the technopreneur and the innovator, the developer, and the all-round acclaimed trainer. He brings to us the products, the leadership to continue this journey, and we are called We Are All Satoshi Affiliate Marketing 2.0. We are all Satoshi. And I am so happy to see so many people here, Shavez. These are the people who are committed to earning because they're here to learn from you. Thank you for being here, Shavez.
Amazing, amazing. Great to see everybody. Welcome to UK Primetime. Hope everybody is doing fine. Uh, this Friday call is going to be really, really interesting. I am going to get much into depth, uh, especially for Dodo today, because there is a lot to learn, there is a lot to understand, and I believe from Wednesday you guys had a really, really great understanding on Dodo, and let's continue to learn more and more about Dodo and understand how wonderful and how fascinating the opportunity is and how cool Dodo is as a product. See, you guys have seen now my style of delivering the product has changed. I'm now using or for I'm delivering the product first, and then we will start the sales. So this is the new method in which we will work from now on. Um I know we went through a lot of challenges, but it's okay. Now we are out of challenges. Let's continue with this style of pushing the products live. So, Dodo is here, Dodo is live. I believe you guys also saw the website, the indices, the growth, the potential, the matrices which are there on the web on the DApp. How many people saw the website? How many people went through Dodo once again after the call yesterday, day before yesterday when I showed Dodo? Raise your hands. Let me get some picture here so that it will be easy for me to explain like that. Okay, perfect, 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 amazing. 55 people went through it. 58 people. Nice, nice. 61 people. Cool. 62 people. Mm-hmm. Oh, it is still in German. I was in German prime time. Let me translate back to English. Okay, perfect. All right. So we have 64 people who understand, who visited. Rest of you, you did not check the website, you did not check Dodo. Okay, let's do a quick revision here today. And then I would request you all to go and check Dodo. Okay. All right. So, NASDAQ of DeFi. This is what we are calling Dodo. Why NASDAQ of DeFi? Because it is working just like NASDAQ, where you have the opportunity to buy index which has which is covering the entire market in its own. And then I will show you my portfolio, what I did on that day, on Wednesday when we launched the MVP. And then you will understand the vision, the understanding, and the modus operandi of Dodo. As we continue to learn more and more about Dodo, we will understand the market and the movement of market better. So Dodo website is complete with an entire walkthrough to use Dodo. It has all the information. When you visit the website, you will get all the information, which are the supported wallets, which are the tools that are helping Dodo to perform well. When you go to About Us page, you will get also the process, connect your wallet, browse. So Dodo is a product which is independent, entirely decentralized. You connect your wallet, you start. It has no external dependency that you have to sign up, you have to do this, that. It's very simple. Connect your wallet, browse indices, and invest and start. And then track your investments. So entire thing is uh, completely ready working. This is the basic version of the product which is working right now. We are enhancing it more and more. These are the indices which are top performing. today. And if I go and check my portfolio, I have made $789 even when the indices are not, you know, I bought I bought everything at the peak. Yesterday, my profit was showing $1,200. If I was a regular trader, I would have sold it at $1,200 profit and I would have made an exit and I would have bought again. So, but I am a long term runner. So I know that this is all time high of last bull run. Market is going to go so high. That's why I'm not gonna touch anything because I hold the entire market here. More than 50 assets I hold in these indices. And these are the top performing assets, the unicorns of uh, cryptocurrencies, with just buying few indices. This is the advantage of Dodo. Okay, one by one, we will go through the whole walkthrough and then I will give additional details and the future, and I will tell you which all features are going to come up next. From Wednesday, we have updated the website also. We are constantly working on Dodo to update and to increase the user experience. So if you go on DApp, we have now few new features where you can view assets like this of particular indices. So one by one, we can check for the people could not join Wednesday call. Please go ahead and check the recording on our YouTube channel. You will find. Please go through it. I will give the brief of the basic as well. So let's say layer 2s, this is also one index. The 24-hour growth of this index is shown and AUM, that is asset under management, is also shown here. You can buy this particular index. The recommendation is to buy at minimum 500 so that you do not get so much high gas fee or impact of the gas because it's Ethereum. You can even buy for 100, no problem. It is not logged yet. But once we load Dodo with all the features, we will lock it minimum at 500 so that we save the interest of the user. Okay. Then I talked about the stop loss. This is the drawdown tolerance, that is stop loss. You can set your stop loss at, let's say, 50%. Then 50%, if the assets go down, then index is automatically sold. If you set it at 40%, that means if the assets are going down 60% low, then your index will be automatically sold. If you set at 30%, that means if this particular index goes 30% down, your assets are automatically liquidated and sold. So you can set according to your own requirement and your own strategy. For static indices, you have your own strategy. So as layer 2 is a static index, you can set the stop loss at 50%, no problem. For more volatile or you can say dynamic indices which are more volatile like memes, you can set your tolerance at 20% or 30%. That means if the assets are 70% down, then your index is sold automatically. Similarly, you can also go with timestamp expiration. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, unlimited. And then here you have all the index information along with the smart contract address of particular index. Every index has a smart contract. In this smart contract, you will see the assets which are held or which are underlying assets of this particular index. That's why it is decentralized, because you directly hold these assets individually. Unlike stock markets, unlike centralized exchanges where you don't have the custody, here you have decentralized custody of the assets which are underlying assets of this particular index. Okay, now let's understand more about buying and selling index. So these are my indices which I have bought. These are the categories. If I click on category, I will find my purchase. I can view details here. See, these are the new features which we have added. So in the view details, my rate, my buying price and my rate of increase is mentioned and my holdings are there. I will get also my buy transaction hash where my buying is mentioned here. 1% fee of the platform and then 99% of the assets were used to buy this index. If you come through WAAS, your 1% fee will not be applied if you will buy subscription on WAAS when we launch it. As of now, you can directly test Dodo by connecting your wallet. That is why it is called the independent, or what do you say that? It is a uh, what do you say that? What do you call DeFi? Uh, Permissionless. Permissionless system. This is Dodo is a permissionless system where you just connect your wallet and you buy it. You sell it. Here the buy swap transaction hash is also there where when I buy, then Dodo smart contract swaps all the assets for me. And in the same way, within 15 minutes of window, all the buy orders will be swapped together and the aggregation of gas fee will happen. Here you can check the transaction fee is $37 for the swap. If 100 people are buying together, that means it is going to be 3 cents each. So this is the advantage. These are the big features which we have introduced in Dodo. If we would have just integrated basic features in the Dodo, would have launched Dodo like simply a trading platform without these gas aggregation features, then also it was a great product. But on top of this, we have added such incredible features which are never or which were never introduced in the DeFi, in the decentralized finance before, like stop loss. You don't have stop loss feature anywhere in the DeFi. No trading apps, no decentralized exchanges have stop loss feature or aggregation of gas. So Dodo is working with basic features right now. And when you sell the index, you have all the details. You have buy transaction, buy swap transaction, sell swap transaction, and withdraw transaction. So even if you sell, your assets are swapped into USDT and then they are withdrawn back to your wallet automatically. One more feature we are going to introduce, hopefully from next week, where when you sell the index, there will be withdraw button also. So the assets, if you don't want to liquidate into USDT, uh, then you, you can also withdraw your assets even without liquidating them into USDT. So you will have two options to settle your assets. One, to liquidate into USDT, or you swap it and you just withdraw the assets and settle. At the time of settlement, let's say if I will try to sell one index, I'm not going to sell nothing. Okay. So platform fees applied, then network fees applied, and then sell buy swap fee. This is SF1. If you guys remember in the Dodo training initially that I did, I introduced you to three types of swap fee. Swap fee 1, swap fee 2, swap fee 3. Buy swap fee, sell swap fee, underlying asset change swap fee. If the index is dynamic and the assets are changing, if any underperforming assets are replaced by overperforming, outperforming assets, then this underlying asset swap fee will be applicable. And when you confirm, everything is settled. So I bought this index on Wednesday, all these indices on Wednesday, and I made $828. I was at yesterday at a profit of $1,200. I could have made an exit, but I did not. I will not exit. I will continue to show this portfolio for the rest of couple of months until it reaches at least $100,000. I will not sell. When it reaches at least $100,000, then I will sell with you guys here. And that will show you guys because the market is at all time peak of the last record. The new records are yet to be set, which I know. But for a regular trader, you guys can do wonderful job here. If I wanted to earn money, yesterday I would have sold at 1200 profit and made an exit, and then I would have rebought it some indices where the assets, here I can check, where the assets are not performing well today. So if I check AMM DEX, see some assets are down. I would have bought it again. And in couple of days after correction, they would have grown and then I would have sold again. So this is how traders are going to love Dodo. So you also can formulate your strategy to work with Dodo. This is just the basic version of the product. On top of this, along with these 12 indices, we are going to have 8 more indices. The promise was to bring 20 at the launch. So there will be 8 more. There will be some of the very, very dynamic indices where there will be go big or go home type things. It where you can set your stop loss at, let's say, 30%, 70%, and then you can sit back, relax. If it grows, it goes to the moon. If it does not grow, it reaches to your stop loss and you sell it. So it is going to be really, really interesting in working with Dodo. And there are some more features that we are going to integrate, which are copy trading, the feature functionality to create your own index. That is yet to come. And imagine Dodo with copy trading, where traders they send out their copy trading link to different people, and if they are making money, it will be shown that their index is performing well. And when others they buy their index, they get 15% of the 1% fee that is applied in buying the index on Dodo. That is going to be a super cool thing in the market where we will have external traction, huge external traction on Dodo along with our community. So Dodo is a massive product where the traders, non-traders, people who know how to invest into crypto, people who don't know, people who know just to read how to read English, they will participate. It's everything is written here. You just have to, you know, read and start. That is it. No, no rocket science. And then we are also working on some experimental features, or some features where when I will announce these features, you are going to go crazy about it. I mean, Dodo itself is an amazing platform where buying and selling indexes in the DeFi ecosystem is amazing. But these features which we have added, it is making it more interesting. And one of the features that I have not announced yet, which I'm working on, which my team is working on, is going to kill it. So, um, continue to explore. I know the only question in mind, or the only question in market is right now about Dodo. When is going to come on WAAS? When are we going to get subscriptions ready? All that. I know that. I understand that. This, I told you, new way. Now we are launching product first, then giving you subscription. This is a, I think, more comfortable approach to to tackle or to work with more confidence in affiliate marketing industry. Your position in the market is going to be even stronger. The people who worked with you so far, the people who are going to work with you uh, in WAS are going to be impressed, because you will give them a ready product to see, just to see. Okay, just see the product, check it, test it, and then it is going to come on WAS. So, what I'm going to do today, because uh, I pretty much explained in a very short way. Today, let's take some questions, and with the help of questions on Dodo, I'm going to explain more and more so that the clarity will be, um, more, and I would also understand what you guys are confused about, or what is something uh, what is something that seems to be a little complicated, or you know. So raise your hands. Let's do some Q&A. Let's understand what do you guys think about Dodo. If you don't understand anything, I'm ready to explain, and then we can learn accordingly.
Chavez, you also mentioned that you wanted to talk about harvesting today. Did you want to do that first, or you want to do the Q&A?
Yes, so harvesting. Let's finish the. There are some updates which are going to come on BTC 20 DApp this week. The price pointers are coming. More precise price trackings are coming on BTCC. RAP BTC deployment has taken place, but the entire segment is going to be deployed by the end of this week. So let's have everything deployed on BTC 20 Smart Chain first, and then we will go ahead and explain, and then we'll go on Q&A. Since we were not prepared for the Dodo launch, and the day was going so well, and the product was ready, so I was like, okay, let me give you guys a product that is ready also. And it worked really well. So we are still working on so many things. The team is working really, really fast. Even was back office is updated. I have not pushed the update live because there is so much going on this week. You guys need to learn about a lot of things. So I'm
Excellent.
going to keep everything in phases. Also, important thing is Capital 3.0 DAO tokens are getting mint. Okay, I will cover this at the end. Let's take questions on Dodo, and let's understand more about Dodo. This is a priority today.
Thank you very much. Now, folks, go ahead. I see that you are ready with your videos on. Excellent. Thank you. One question per person with per raised hand, please. Okay. And the questions will be focused on Dodo and Dodo only. Thank you. Dr. Dai Cha, how are you? Dia.
Good. I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, good. Please ask your question.
Hello, Dia.
Uh,
How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you, Shavez. My question is when you say that you put a stop loss if 70%,
Mm-hmm.
is that, let's see, if I have a $1,000 in my account, is it go down to 70% or do it go down to 30% is stop?
So if I put on 30%, okay, let
Uh,
me show. And if I'm buying, let's say, if the index is static, then it makes, it doesn't matter what you set. But if the index is dynamic and it's let's say meme, where fluctuation is too heavy, and
yeah,
sometimes by setting 50% stop loss, you can accidentally sell your index also. You
uh,
understand? Some tokens they go down 50% and then they go up like 200%.
I see.
So, so in that case, what you as a trader would do, you would set your stop loss at 80%. That even if the assets they go down 80%,
Mhm.
my assets are, mine till that time. If it if you set here 70%, that 30%, that means the assets are going to go 70%, then it will sell.
Okay.
So it is reverse.
Go down
50,
70%, then it will stop.
yes, it will stop.
Okay.
So
Okay.
stop loss.
Yeah.
So you will
Okay.
not lose any.
Okay.
So I recommend, or what generally traders they do on centralized exchanges, on centralized platforms, they set stop loss for highly fluctuating assets very, very low. So as I also have done myself in the meme, if I have not, then I will do it. So I have set 40% in the fun memes. I need to change this. I will swap it. Let it go down a little bit and then I will swap it. I will add more with more less stop loss in the top top 5 meme. What I have done, I have set 41%. Oh no. I should have reduced it by at least 20% so that I'll always be. But it's good. I mean, that's all your own approach, how you approach it. But looking at the products which where volatility is high, you set stop loss like that.
Okay.
So let's say the layer twos, where you know that these are layer two biggest layer two solutions of the industry in on Ethereum ecosystem. These are not going to go never less than uh, 30% also. So it you freely set it 50% and leave it. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Dia.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Ye. Thank you for that question on stop loss. And Sarah, go ahead and unmute and please and ask your question.
Thank you. Good evening.
Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Can you hear me now? Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. I need to convey this information to somebody who does not go on Zoom, Chavez.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any recording?
Yes, yes, there is you.
Ongoing.
Yes, yes.
He is not live on. He will not listen to me. I just let him drop this and let's see whether he comes up with some questions.
Okay, okay, perfect. Drop a
All right.
link of YouTube channel. Any co-host can drop the link
Thank
of
you.
YouTube channel.
Thank you. Awesome.
Thank
Awesome.
It was done. Thanks, Sarah.
Jen.
Yanti, Miss McKay, please unmute and ask your question.
Hi, Shavez.
Hello.
Hi, Grace.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, quick question.
Mhm,
The MetaMask wallets,
mhm,
the one I've set up now for uh, Boomerang,
mhm.
can I use the same one?
Yes, yes, no problem.
wallet and the account. There's no,
Yes, yes,
no
yes.
clash.
Mm.
Right?
No problem.
Thank you. Otherwise, it's getting so many.
No,
Account management becomes a big job.
I recommend everybody to use only one wallet for BTC20. Same wallet when Boomerang 2.0 comes. Same wallet for Dodo. And one different wallet for Phantom where you need Solana.
Yes.
No other wallets. And one TRC20 wallet to withdraw your commissions from WAAS. That's
BTC TRC or
it. TRC20 wallet to
TRC20.
withdraw your commission. That's it.
That's Tronlink.
Yes, yes. You don't need so
Okay.
much, so many wallets.
All
Thank you,
done.
Mr. Oh, you done? Thank you.
I cannot.
Thank you. Ingrid, she
Please
is.
go ahead and unmute Ingrid.
Tronlink.
Yes, yes. You don't need so much, so many wallets.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, everyone.
Evening.
I have a question. My question is this: and why is an Dodo limited in WAAS to 3x? Why do you want to limit it?
I mean, we have DeFi products which are with 3x potential, um, and we have ROI model that is Capital 3.0, which I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to give you guys a very good information about Capital 3.0 also after this. And it is not limited. I think 3x is pretty good. Uh, where do you guys get 3x? Really?
Yeah, sure. Because when you trade, most of the time you trade for a longer period. So it is not limited
Trading.
so to the X or 3x or something like that.
No. Trading is different. This is the access to platform. So only 1% fee you will be able to skip when you buy the subscription on WAS. So that fee that you save when you buy from WAS, which is going to be in 60/40, 60 TRC20, 40 BTC20, and on top of this, there is 65% distribution in the network where you can also make money in the network side and explore affiliate marketing, properly. And on the same side, you trade on Dodo, you make money there.
Hmm.
How beautiful it is. I don't think it can be any better than this.
We
Okay.
look for, thank you, Ingrid. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday support for greater understanding on 3x and 5x. Okay, thank you. Hi, Vinny. Go ahead and unmute, please.
Vincent is
Hi,
going to
Grace. Hey, Shavez, how are you?
ask
Um,
when.
I normally don't ask questions during these calls, but I already jumped into it, so I bought my first Dodo package just to play with it a little bit. And a question that I had was, once you buy a package, can you go back and change the how you call it, the selling limit, the
No,
stop loss,
no.
right? I thought so. Yes. Because there's at a certain beginning. So you need to know beforehand, before buying the package, what is going to be a stop loss. And just like you explained today, depending on the type of package, right? You want to
Depending on
put
the
it either
type
lower
of
or higher.
index, yeah, depending on the type of index, it is if it is dynamic, then you check. If it is static, then don't care about it. Just buy it. No problem.
Right. So with static, don't care about it means you leave it at zero or you put it, because by default, I don't know where the default is. I can't
No.
remember.
Put 50%. It is good. Yeah. You can buy at zero also. That you don't care about nothing. No problem.
Yeah. All right. That's it. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
for highlighting that, Vinny. And Bree, How you doing? Thank you. And go ahead and ask your question, unmute.
Okay, I am unmuted and great day to everyone. So Mike, it's a two-part question. It appears to me that the product is really for traders. How about the folks that have absolutely unequivocally no experience? How would we be able to generate revenue or understand sufficiently so that we can generate revenue?
Just like I did. I did what, Brent, the first day. I bought everything. Okay. If I would not have $30,000, I would have bought two or three indices and I would have waited. So if I see, okay, so Dodo is a product that is equally available, and in fact, it is even better for the people who understand nothing. You,
Really?
you buy index, you are basically, counting on the growth of different assets of a category. You just have to select a category, and all the categories you have the top performing asset of the industry. So you are already running up and running with the pace of the market. So you have a basket, just like in stock market. People who have zero knowledge and understanding, they buy index in the stock market and they leave it. They buy blue chip stocks. You go and buy DeFi blue chips and let it rest. And when you see growth, you sell it. And when you see again some other indexes showing little negative, buy that. And by doing this 10 to 15 times, you will become a trader, Brent.
Okay, so what you're saying is we'll have instructional videos that will help us get there, or
Of
we'll,
course, here we will have tutorials. Also, Dodo is a completely packed product with every detail in it. So we are going to do videos as well here.
cool beans. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Bree. Excellent question as far as experience and being able to use this product.
I will
Okay.
show this. Okay, everyone. I will show this portfolio for a couple of months, and you guys will see. Let the market correct and go up. This group of asset, it is going to hit at least $100,000, and I will sell it on the call here, and I will show you guys.
Excellent.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Robert, please unmute and ask your question.
Oh, thank you very much, Grace and Shavez. On my question goes to Shavez. Unlike the stop loss, do we have take profit?
Sorry.
Say that.
Unlike the stop loss, do we have take profit
Take.
where you can set it a limit where you can get when it hits that limit, it says for you.
Okay, I understand that. So, unlike stop loss, so that's
Yeah.
something where you can track your index and you can yourself check it. So,
Okay. Good.
so for that, okay, that that uh, that is one more big development that we have in Dodo, and that is going to be super great. Where is this voice coming from?
Robert, can you mute your end, please? Turn off whatever you're listening to.
Okay, I've muted him. All right,
Thank you.
listen, everybody, pay attention here. We have in Dodo, we have built a Telegram mini app of Dodo, TMA of Dodo. Okay, so with that, what you do, you go on Telegram, you connect your same wallet, import your same wallet, connect it with this TMA using Telegram. You will be able to track all your buyings. You can sell instantly on Telegram quickly. So you don't have to have a lot of challenge logging on to the app, connecting wallet, checking. Your TMA will give you alerts. These are the top performing indices. This is the alert. This is the notification. We have built the TMA. We are testing it. That is also built. So, like I said, I am going to drop these products now. I'm going to launch first and then, give you. So, TMA is coming of Dodo. That is going to be super helpful in tracking your progress.
Thank you, Robert, for that question. And what about stop loss? Oh, the opposite of stop loss. Union, please go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Yes, so good afternoon to everybody. So Chavez, so congratulations again. Like always, you're making a good job. So we are very excited that we have Dodo now. So we are learning, the product is starting. So many things that we have to know, but I know that will be something incredible for all the community. So no, but I have a question, Chavez. I don't know if you can answer me about BTCC. I have a question about that.
Mhm.
Can I ask? Can I ask the question?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so like us know when the token is listed in the
Mhm.
exchanger, depends the if I have any project or a company giving us support to that token, so grew up have a good value increase. You know what you doing to the BTCC, because we know the BTCC is increasing and we are very happy about that. But what kind of middle you doing now to the BTCC increase? If it's not listed yet in any exchange. So what kind of middle are you doing now to the BTCC increase like it's now? Because we are very happy about that. But I have that question for you.
Okay, definitely. You guys are doing it. You guys are doing everything. Uh, so, couple of weeks ago, when we started Boomerang refunds in USDT BTC 20, David came up on the call. He was like, why? So I asked, I was like, okay, why are you guys not harvesting? So cost of harvesting according to the, total hash power was it has a huge gap now. So what David said, when we buy BTCC, the price goes up. So people did what? They started buying BTCC with the boomerang refunds they got. The advantage is they started buying BTCC at $63. Now it is $93. They have made $30 upside on that. Number one. Number two, till the time boomerang refunds will be finished. Let's say if a trivial user has $1,000 license or $1,000 there in the refund, and they continue to swap their assets into BTCC and they hold it, BTCC goes to $200. They not only double the money, but they double their refund, and then they sell $500 worth of BTCC back to the peer-to-peer exchange or somebody. They got their money back. Number one, they have BTCC also, which is constantly growing, and that would make what? That will make people harvest also. The moment it will hit $150, people will start harvesting, and that's where the real boom in the BTCC will start. You guys have not seen it. I don't know. You guys are new. You guys came recently. These chaps, they are mining. They are lazy chaps mining BTCC from the beginning. They were not harvesting on time. Now they understand the value of BTCC. And this is realization that came after 1 year. So we will see BTCC hitting 120, 130, and people will start getting onto the harvesting part also. And then you will see the real growth. So right now, I'm doing nothing. I was doing nothing. It is an entirely decentralized ecosystem where I can't do anything pretty much. I can just tell you guys, I was shouting every Friday, why are you guys not harvesting? Why are you not doing this? So I can just say it. I was saying that for weeks and weeks. I will, even if you guys don't don't do anything, I cannot do anything. I can just tell you. Just like Satoshi Nakamoto told, buy Bitcoin, mine Bitcoin, hold Bitcoin. People who listened, they are billionaires now. People who listened to others, they made millions. Some people exit. Some people are still holding it. Same thing. I can just tell you. So, as far as the listing is concerned, we will go for listing. Liquidity is very less, $36 million in USDT. If we will go for listing, all of you who had started mining with us from the day one with the dream of making a fortune with BTCC, all your dreams are going to die. Because when externally people will enter, uh, it is it is peanuts. It is peanuts for the big market. So let's hold it and let's uh, help the internal community. It's not internal community, it's a big community. Let's help our big community to cash out first and let them have complete advantage, and then we will go for listing. Listing for me is not a big thing. I can next week I can go for 10 dex listings, no problem. But your positions, you will lose it. People will panic sell, and I don't want them to panic sell. I don't want them to uh, lose anything, because it's not something that is easy to understand. Now we have 1% clearer picture of BTCC in minds of miners and holders. This is not even the tip of the iceberg, which people realize and understand. So it is a process, and I cannot shorten the time of process of learning and understanding. Satoshi Nakamoto mined Bitcoin for 1 year alone. Nobody else was mining. Look at Bitcoin right now. So I will always help, and I will always safeguard the interest of miners who started mining with us from day one. I will try my level best to hold it. That is what I'm doing. All right.
Thank
Jose.
you, Chavez. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, Legacy Group International, please unmute. And our questions are focused on Dodo right now. Thank you.
Definitely. That's where I'm going. Jose. Chavez, I think Lucky is lucky to be in Dubai. I wish I could be there.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you, Grace, for for the Zoom. Thank you, Chavez. I have to tell you, Chavez, that you outdid yourself. You outdid yourself with Dodo. It's the best product in the industry. Like you say, it's a permissionless system. It's something that every heavy trader, okay, everybody that's into trading, everybody who's into the heavy crypto industry, okay, it's gonna want. It's attractive for them. Okay, it's something that is really, impressive. And when you said that you call it a permissionless system, that's what it is. Okay, right now it's the best product that has been launched. Okay, Boomer was going to be that, but that's later. This that is live now. It's something really where everybody, it's already creating a lot of noise. But okay, it's open for the public, and we all know a lot of heavy traders. They probably did not join before WAAS. Okay, they are interested in this now. I already their feedback. What's going to hold them? What's going to, if they're allowed to join Dodo now, like you have, okay, and some of us are going to be doing, what's going to hold them from continuing doing Dodo when it comes to us, when we're now for the network, okay, for them to then come into us and be part of the network? What are you doing to make that not happen? That they continue doing Dodo on their own and not being part of us? I know you have something, but please share with us.
We can, we can definitely, do a lot of stuff around that as well to gain that. That is called, uh, getting back the traction, which we secured from a platform. Definitely, we will do KOLs, and we are also getting a lot of. So I shared Dodo with a group of top crypto influencers and YouTubers, like the heavy hitters. So they're pretty much, they have been launching their list of 5 best, 10 best. With Dodo, they will do what? They will spread out their link of top best,
Mhm.
and they will make huge money. They have been making money from YouTube only. Now they will make money from YouTube along with the trading side. So that is very promising. So what we can do, what I have a plan of doing is, uh, we will offer them our different products like 9pay. 9pay is a crypto card, uh, and that's where we will be able to. So see, if they are traders, they will not listen to affiliate marketing pitch like
Mhm.
this.
Mhm.
Have to give them something. So
Mhm.
yeah, products, and then we will generate their affiliate links and give them 9pay sales. They will develop funnels and they will promote it. So it's very very efficient to create funnels and promote affiliate marketing without putting efforts. And YouTubers, influencers, KOLs, they are good at it. So my approach is that only. Um, so 9pay, Dodo, and then with 9pay, when they will hear about BTCC, the cashback of spending, they will bounce back to the mining as well. So everything is dripping into the same ocean, right? So the bigger plan is this, and it will be difficult for us to execute this. I also know that. Oh my God, Jose, Bitcoin is $77,156 right now. It's crazy. It's crazy.
We're just
Okay.
starting.
Yeah, it's
Thank you,
just
Shavez.
the beginning. So this is the strategy, and I hope we are going to, you guys are going to support this all growth part of the ecosystem that we are leading. It's very, very difficult. I know it is going to be difficult. And in this whole process, what I wanted to, that's why I was pushing everybody to focus on Capital 3.0, because I know the moment Dodo comes, you guys would need huge money to put in Dodo.
Mhm.
And the answer is allocations.
Do you
So
have time set when Dodo is going to be in your affiliate marketing with WAAS?
whenever you guys want, I can put it. It's a ready product working. It's like it's it's all ready. So what I'm doing right now is uh, adding all the features and then letting you guys get trained fully, completely. That okay, this is the sales pitch, and then we start. So couple of days we will start, no problem. But before that, let's focus on Capital 3.0 properly, because the first allocation that is going to come, I want all of our community members to enter big into Dodo. I would be happy. See, I have been promising for last 1 year that I will not let no one miss the bull run. And I'm working really very hard. to keep up my promise. Even we faced a lot of problems. Then also before the bull run, we are at the right track. We were quite, we had a quite bumpy ride, you know. And this was my promise. I kept it. But the bigger accomplishment would be if my community would enter into Dodo with big money, which is still possible because we are in November right now. November, December, January. These 3 months are the cashing months for the bull run, and Capital 3.0 is the answer. I know the picture will be clearer when first allocation will drop in, but for the people who understand the way things are turning out, and who kind of, it is also me, like who have faith and believe in the in WAAS in me, they will, they are working already, but I want them to push more. Even people with $100, let them start. Make them start so that they get allocations worth of and $500 and they start with Dodo. So everything is like that. Trying to push, trying to do everything. I will continue to do it, with more and more dedication. My promises I will keep always. Thank you.
So, thank you, Chavez. Jose, thank you for that question that highlights Chavez's visionary capabilities and what he has planned for the We Are All Satoshi community. Great question. Thank you for that. Yanti, please unmute.
I didn't ask any questions yet.
Oh, you raised your hand. Were you going ahead and waving it like this? So
no, not yet.
okay.
All
All right. Oh, sorry. You're yeah. Sorry, Yanti, you're unmute, please.
We're all set now?
Yes,
okay.
yes. Perfect. Thank you.
We have AI, right? Travis, can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Can
I can
you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can.
We have AI, right? Can we use the AI to kind of get the people who want it leads and send out letters and like the funnels you said, make some funnels for different products, then get back.
I will, I will, I will do it. I'm doing Shavez AI for that. I will get some more time, and so
Okay.
teams have been really, really busy. The priority was to set up the ground for the bull run, and then, yeah, everything is being done.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Thank you, Jayanti.
That's all. I'm not going to ask anymore.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Yanti. David, could you please unmute?
Hello. An amazing introduction, an amazing training, an amazing how you say it. I think this is something we really need to get it to the people as a safety valve, because Dodo is an opportunity where you just put in my philosophy, you put in every time when you have some liquidity, you just, you make some money and you just top off your profit into Dodo. Because I was explaining many years already for people to make different baskets, with precious metal, with cryptocurrencies. And few months ago, I think, some time ago, I said to Shavez, he was in a call and I was explaining to people, buy the top 10 of the cryptocurrencies when you have money. because it will go up. We could see, you know, what happened with the BTCC because we all now change from USDT. And a lot of people, I get questions, and I know for sure tomorrow we will get the same questions. When we withdraw the BUSD, the boomerang refund, you know, why is it taking, you know, so long to come into our MetaMask? Because the contract needs to have funds. It's not a Mickey Mouse coin. It's real money coming into the BTC20 network. So why do we have 1% for 100 days? Because the amount of refund is so big. I tried to figure out from Shavez how big it is, but he says it's big. So if we see that and we have this opportunity, the only thing what we need is to have a focus, a laser beam focus on Capital 3.0. But in the meantime, if you have the funds, if you have the money, open an account. And today on the Zoom at 2 o'clock prime time, or 8 o'clock actually for the Philippines, when Shavez told one thing, you buy a Dodo, you let it run. When it doubles the amount, you can split it in 2 Dodos.
Yes.
Can you imagine if you understand compounding? You buy a $500 or $1,000, you let it grow, and I bought yesterday, and it goes up and down and up and down and down and down, and then it goes up, but you just let it run, and you just wait until it's doubled, and then you split it. That was a brilliant mindset, Shavez, what you explained this afternoon in the Zoom. And I can tell you this about trust. There is 100% trust. So one question, Shavez. You know the allocation of Capital 3.0. Yeah, is there already, you know, when they are, you know?
Will tell it. I will announce. I will announce. Probably. So me and David, we are flying to Vietnam, and we are going to meet Vietnamese community, and I will make some announcements from there. I have saved some important big announcements, and we will do also Zoom live from there, so you all can join. I will give out the dates before, and I will be making some important announcements from there as well. So yeah, let's save some from there.
Yes, yes, yes. Super, super. Hi, Fino. How are you doing? Good to see you. Hi, Johan. And of course, everybody.
Thanks. Especially I will be there so we can do the Zoom live, right? Okay. Thank you, David, for pointing out that we're going to repopulate the world with Dodo. It was extinct before, but we're going to bring it back, and it's going to take over. Wilby, please unmute and ask your question.
Hi, Miss Grace. Hi, Shavez. It's nice introducing about Dodo.
Thank you.
Can we use MetaMask to buy Dodo?
Yes, yes, you can. You can connect right now and start.
Okay. I have a different question about reserve and the boomerang. Can I ask or?
Sure. Ask. No problem.
Okay, my WAAS proof of reserve, it shows 0. I bought, I request a ticket, a couple tickets.
No.
But
So
still there is no answer.
There is a Google form right now. Fill it, and you will have it corrected if there is correction needs to be done. Did you get the Google form?
No.
Okay, I will get it posted officially after this call on the official Telegram channel. Are you following the official channel?
Yes.
Okay, it will be posted there.
Okay. And another one, the last one is a boomerang. My boomerang is not correct, the calculation.
Okay. So both the things, for boomerang, raise a support ticket.
I did.
Okay, okay. I will
I
ask.
did 3 times, but I
Okay.
guess the same answer.
I will instruct. Who's your upline? Did you contact your upline?
No appliance.
Okay, no appliance. All right, no problem. No, no problem. I will ask support team to, pay attention and filter out all the requests around boomerang and proof of reserve and help you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And let's go ahead and keep the questions focused on Dodo. Chavez does have a lot more to go over with us. So please, let's go ahead and keep it focused on Dodo. Pastor Davis, please unmute.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry.
Hello,
I
Pastor David.
want to keep it on Dodo. How you doing, Shavez?
I'm
But
doing
BTC is going up so high, and I want to be able to capitalize on it with my community. I have with those 3 nodes that I purchased, and just the other day, the nodes was sent to me with the node wallet address and also the pass key. I don't know if that's enough for me to get the nodes, but I don't know how. I don't know the next step in taking possession of them. I need someone to help me.
Okay, so um, all right. So it has been a long time. Let
It's
me.
been over. It's been a long time, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Let me jump on a call with the whole community once again. Now I'm available, and I want to say hello to all the Tongans. It has been a long time. I miss them. So for now, please organize a call. Let's have a call hopefully this weekend, and I will sit there for 30 minutes or 1 hour, and I will make sure all the questions are answered, everything is cleared. Okay? Let's do it, Pastor. Don't worry.
Chavez, I kept track. That's all the questions that we have now. I kept track, and we only had 2 repeated questions. So, um, do we move on to the next topic, or Adam, if you would go ahead and share your video? You have a question on Dodo, I take it, Adam. Thanks. Go ahead.
How are you, my brother?
Hi, fine. How are you?
Good. Good to see you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Shavez, I just want one question, okay, about the fees for Ethereum fees and the platform fees and the swap fees and the split page fees between buy and sell for the 500. How much it will be the total, the plus minus?
So it depends on the fee, which is
About the plus minus.
so I don't remember. David, what was the fee yesterday when you bought?
I have different fees from $25, $36. Yeah. For the 500, when I purchased a $500 package, it says 40 or 36, but it was 25 or something,
25 just for buy, when you buy, right?
Yeah. I did not sell. I'm not selling.
25 to $30 when
Yeah,
you buy.
Keep it
And
between.
when you sell, it will be also same.
No. So platform fee is 1%. That is that Dodo charges. The gas fee to push Ethereum ERC20 USDT, that for $500 comes around $25 to $30. And then yes, just to push your $500 to the contract, the fee. Rest of the fee is taken care by the is paid by the Dodo smart contract for you. At the time of your exit, you pay the gas fee. Rest of them.
So how much will be the total? About $40 buy and sell.
So when you sell index, if your assets are swapped different times, so swap all the three types of swap fee, SF1, SF2, SF3 is paid. 0.5% platform fee we charge at the time of liquidation of assets. So everything, and then you take out your assets.
Why
So
I'm ask, why
so
I'm asking
so I
because
will show you.
last Wednesday, last Zoom, when you buy and sell,
Mhm.
okay, and I calculate your MetaMask
Yes, here.
asset, how much you have, it was minus about $70
No,
from
no,
the
no.
500, cost you
Sometimes
about 70.
so see this. This is top five meme. I bought for $500. Okay.
All right,
I made an exit with $532. So
okay.
in this my earnings is $37, which is above 1% fee, which is more than the gas fee. And if I will check
So
my
this earning is the poor profit.
this is all the process. So and I sold it immediately. So my selling gas fee was see $78.
Mm-hmm.
But I made an exit with profit. So
The
the
net profit, how much? The net profit from this $37.
this
The net
$37 is
profit.
my net profit.
This
After
37 is the net profit,
yes, yes, yes.
but when you buy, it takes some Ethereum fees, right?
That is the gas fee to push the money to the smart contract.
Okay,
That's
okay. So it costs you about $10, $5, I think, right?
$5, yes.
Yes. So you have to minus it from $37. You have to minus $5, right?
So I will do what, Adam? I will
Yes.
this Wednesday. I will do a very extensive training on whiteboard for the all fee calculation. That will be a technical training.
No, the
So that
trading, everything is very easy. The system is very, very easy. Even if I bring my son and I teach him, he can do it.
yes, yes,
But
yes,
but I need to calculate the fees.
yes, yes.
I
So
need to know how much the
fees.
net profit from the earning. The net profit, the poor profit, the profit.
I actually have a very big news around fees also, which I want to give. But let the functionality be built, and I'm going to announce something really, really crazy on the fee part. So hold your horses, just give me a couple of days. Enjoy the process of learning it, and then I will announce.
Thank you, Adam. Appreciate that. Um, Felicia, please go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Hello.
Yes, we can
Okay.
hear you. Please ask your
Yeah.
question.
Chavez, I know that you said to concentrate on Dodo, but I have something that has been disturbing me for months now, especially after the POR refund. You remember Emekam too, that invested 50 something thousand. So he did not get a dime on his PRO. My daughter did not get anything, but that one is not disturbing me as the one for Emeka. So I want to, know what is going on.
Sure, sure. So there is a Google form that is going to come. Don't worry about it. Uh, Fill out that Google form and it will be corrected. Okay. And also, I created a group with Emeka and what was the name? of that guy. Felicia, just text me on WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp, right? I will guide you how to do it myself. Okay, don't worry, please. People
Jackie?
they don't have their uplines, and it's a very very unfortunate situation. Uh, this is a problem in US. We need to resolve very very fast. So I'm going to be on US prime times also, and I'm going to sit there to understand more and we are creating structure also, worldwide structure that will help a lot of people without uplines, without active support to work properly.
We
This is
welcome you, Chavez.
Let's do that
Look forward
together.
to it.
thank you. Saki,
Zaki, go ahead and unmute, please.
Hi, Shavez, brother. How are you?
good,
Hi,
man.
Grace, everybody.
Hey.
Again, a very nice training about Dodo, but still I have a question about a request, rather, about the back office of BTCC. You know, we have different packages in our back office, and most of them, they have a withdraw sign, you know, a number like 100 or 30. You know, some of them are BUSD, some, you know, and there is a withdraw sign on most of them. And some of my downlines are trying to withdraw them, and they are disappearing from the back office, and they are not reaching to their wallets. So if it's possible, if it's not hectic for you, if we can give them a different color or symbol for those withdrawals, you know.
Yes.
One of my downline tried to withdraw 5,000, you know. It disappeared from his wallet, I mean from his back office, but it didn't reach his wallet as well.
Where, from which wallet he withdrawn?
I think from the Vault Horizon.
Okay. So don't worry about it. It's all pending because the withdrawal functionality has not been uh, installed yet on WAAS back office. So don't worry, the money is not lost. It is still pending and it will be processed when all withdrawals will start.
That's
So
great. Thank you.
and
But it gives you also, you know, for your team an headache if you know, if we try.
No headache.
The withdrawals, no different color.
No difference. No problem.
Okay.
Don't withdraw, it doesn't matter. The moment functionality will be, the APIs will be installed, everything will start going out. Okay.
Okay, fantastic. Abri, you have one more another question? Thank you. Go ahead and unmute.
One final question. In reference to our back offices, our WASP back offices, I'm still in the old format. When does the new format take place? The one that you featured on Wednesday.
Okay, so I wanted to push it live this week, but I thought it would be too much for all of you to learn and then get along with it. So yeah, let me see. Uh, Hopefully this week, by the end, or next week in the beginning, before Wednesday, I will push it out.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Like I said, Capital 3.0 is the immediate, push for you. Clarity will be even bigger when first allocation will drop in. But the way market is moving right now, I don't want you guys to miss out on nothing. Bitcoin is $77,113 right now in front of my eyes. And I want all of us to win. So focus on Capital 3.0. Let's push it so that we get even bigger allocation. The reason why I'm saying it, because we are now in talks for fourth allocation. And there I'm aiming the biggest one that we all as a community is going to have. The TGE is long, but the returns are going to be super crazy. that is it. Let's see each other on Wednesday. Thank you. Thank you so much, Grace. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a wonderful day, wonderful night. Bye.
Absolutely. Shavez, thank you so much. I'm going to unmute everybody. Everybody was clapping. Let's go ahead and hear it right big. Let's just go ahead and clap and say thank you. Unmute. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shavez.
Thank you,
Shavez.
thank you, Chavez.
Thank you, Grace.
Wonderful.
We are good. We are
Thank
happy.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Really
Have a nice
wonderful.
weekend, everybody.
Thank you, Chavez.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chavez.
Thank you, Shabazz. Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
As I mentioned at the beginning, Shavez, this here represents the group of folks who are committed to coming every Friday, who want to learn from you because they want to earn. So thank you so much for taking the time to share with us and reveal to us your vision and
Thank you.
be able to manage our ability to consume all the products that you are presenting to us. So thank you so much for your steadfastness and
Miss
integrity.
Grace. Miss
Thank you,
Grace.
Grace, for being here.
We need Google.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.